Got a nice bucket of mixed celosia, snapdragons, jewels of opar, and all the pretties. Getting ready to take this to my florist. I have all my little coffee connection bouquets in this little basket. Sorry I didn't get a chance to show all of them to you laid out, but I'm running a little behind today. I usually do these on Sunday, but I didn't get the jars until this morning, and I also have that huge florist order. I've got my florist order in the cart. I'm taking these to the cart, and I'm going to be on my way because I'm running about 15 minutes behind. So sorry about that. Hopefully I can get them next time. Whew. So I got all of that done. Sorry I didn't get to share the coffee vases with you. Maybe I could go back in there and take a few pictures or something, but you've seen them every week. They're just little and cute with 4 to 5 stems. So I got that done. I got my florist delivery done, and now I'm out here in my row of snapdragons, and I'm just getting them cut. Yay! It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees and sunny, and it just feels nice. I'm actually still wearing my pants, so I'll probably have to convert over to shorts because I think it's going to get up to 76 today. But right now it just feels really good, and it's really nice to be out here. There's a nice breeze. I'm just cutting my snapdragons. I feel a moment of peace now. Earlier I was like, I have all these things to do, and now I'm back out in the country in the peacefulness, so I can just breathe and get my flowers cut. And I did it again. I uploaded the wrong video this morning, so I apologize to anybody that didn't realize that. The pictures were the same, so hopefully you realized it before you got too far into it. But I did go ahead and run home after I did all my florist orders and stuff, and I uploaded the right video. So I hope everybody enjoyed that one. And I will just continue to take some pictures today and show you what I'm up to. Or not. Oh my gosh, the day completely got away from me. I got an order for a $100 bouquet to make later this week and a $75 bouquet to make later this week. And I realized I need nicer vases to do that type of arrangement. So I hurried up and ran up to Des Moines. I got some really nice vases so that I can make some beautiful bouquets this week. And the florist also said they needed another order on Wednesday or Thursday. And I have my bouquet subscriptions Thursday plus the farmer's market. And I think everybody wants fall. And I'm not sure how many fall colors I can put together, but I will do my best and I will come up with as much as I can to make everything pretty. But that pretty much took up the rest of my day, so I didn't get any footage of all the pretty flowers because I cut the snapdragons, and by that time it was lunch. After lunch, my other company had about 20 orders, which is completely bizarre and never happens. So I had to package all of those up and ship those out. And then I got those other 2 orders. So I ran to Des Moines and I got my vases. And now it's time to call it a night. So that was my day in the life of flower farming. I'm hoping to get up early tomorrow and get a ton harvested for the upcoming week. Sorry for the short video. I hope you still stick with me, and I hope you have a great day.